Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to design and visualize your interior space for a Halloween event using AI. Before you even start decorating in real life. And here we will use Google Gemini's Nano Banana, which can redesign your room instantly just by typing a few prompts. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through the browser or to the app like this. And then after that, just sign in using your Google account. And when you're in, just tap on Create Image to activate the Nano Banana, or you can also tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. It's just a same way. Next, just upload the photo of the room that you want to redesign. It could be your living room or maybe bedroom, dining area, or any space that you want to turn into a spooky Halloween setup. Just try to pick a photo with a good lighting and clear furniture details so the AI can map the space accurately. Next, just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload your photo room like this. And then next, let's write the design prompt. If you already have a concept in mind, just describe it in details. But if you are not sure yet, you can start a simple prompt maybe like this. For example, like this. And then after that, just click on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, you will see your regular room turn into a complete Halloween event space like this. It's perfect for visualizing before you start decorating. And if you want to tweak the designs, just update your prompt. Maybe you can adding details like this. For example like this, and then just generate. Okay, like this. And I will add those extra decorations right away. In here you can test different styles, maybe like a elegant spooky or vintage horror or even a fun Halloween party vibes. Just decide which detail that you actually like to use in your real decorations later. And okay, that's it. It's super easy, right? With just a few prompts, you can preview how your space will look for a Halloween event, all without lifting a single decorations yet. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!